Why ask me? Up and down, 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 up and down. Hello everyone, Callie Storm Doll here, and we're back in the world of Barbie Fashionista with Ken Fashionista, and this is Fashionista number 184. This is him and his packaging. He's very tropical, and this is his artwork. I did get him for $9.99 from Walmart.com. And you can see that this new wave is kind of a mix of the last wave and this newer wave. And I still have some reviews of the last Fashionista line that I have to get out, so I'm glad that they're just a continuation. But let's get him out of his packaging. He does have the 5 points of articulation, so articulation is going to be easy. And they come in these cool reusable bags, which everyone is a fan of with their cool artwork. Alright, and here we have 184 out of his package. He kind of gives me a Rico or a Carlos type of name, you know, like that would be his name. But this is his face up, and he is on the standard Ken body sculpt for anyone who's interested. He does have on these white flats, which really actually complement his orange pants, as you can see, and they do Velcro in the back. And I'm even digging this really tropical shirt, which does Velcro right in the front. I think his face up is very attractive. I think someone on Instagram actually revealed that this hair piece is a secondary piece, and people online have been taking it off. I'm not going to remove mine. I'm going to leave this on top because it kind of gives him a more interesting look. Now, along with this Ken doll, I did also pick up this fashion pack from Walmart.com as well. And I like what Mattel is doing recently with their packaging. They're saying that, you know, this fabric is made from recycled plastic, and they're normalizing the face mask. This is the second Barbie pack that I've had with face mask in it. The first one was with a Barbie fashion pack, and now we have a face mask with a Ken fashion pack as well. So I'm just going to open this up, and we're actually going to try these accessories on him. So it looks like we get a cool face mask, and it looks like we get a sweater and some shorts. Alright, so it looks like a Carlos' favorite color is orange, because in this fashion pack we do have these kind of distressed or washed type of orange pants. And then he has this K on his shirt for Ken. This is his little cardigan that he can wear. It's kind of like a teal and white. Then it has the red, white, and blue trim, giving me very much so varsity vibes. And then here is his face mask, and I do believe this face mask is quite larger than the face mask we got with our Barbie. And you see how it slides right on? That was actually really cool. So I'm just gonna put on his varsity sweater, or his cardigan, whichever one you guys want to call it. I guess it's technically more like a cardigan, because I don't know if he's like in a varsity or anything, but that went on very nicely, very nicely. So this is how the set is looking. Let's see. This is how it kind of looks with the pants. So now let's see how it's gonna look with the shorts. Alright, and here is Carlos with his little secondary outfit on. It's a very interesting piece, you know. I think it would look nice if maybe I did have a different top on underneath, but I just didn't feel like going to the closet and getting my other Ken clothes. But I think this is really cute. This pack did have a lot of ties in it. That's the only negative I have, is that these clothing packs sometimes have so many ties. By the time you're finished getting your doll dressed, the clothes are full of holes. But yes, I definitely like this look. Do I like the pants more than yes? So I may put the pants back on him, but overall I do think this Carlos doll, I'm just gonna name him Carlos because that's what he's giving me. I think his name is Carlos Rico Diaz. That's what he gives me. And he gives me that he is a young man working on his career goals. He may want to be a model. He may want to be an actor. He may want to be an architect. You know, the world is open to him and all his creativity. So that's what we're gonna say is going on. I'm so happy that I was able to get this doll. This was one of the earlier fashionistas that I saw their promo art, and I was like, oh my god, I definitely want to get him. Look, he can even do the half face that people do like at the mall and stuff and at the stores. He can do the half face. That is so adorable. So he doesn't have to fully keep the mask on. He is so cute. I want to thank you guys for watching today. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe. Always leave me a comment below. And remember this, I will see you on my next video. Now let me know, are you more a fan of the shorts for Carlos or the pants? And have you seen any of these new Barbie fashion packs with the recyclable detailing on it? Let me know by leaving me a comment below. So now me and Carlos are about to go back outside. So we gotta put our mask on. See you guys.